A very good morning to all students. Today, in this part 3 of polymer, we are studied the rubber as a polymer. The contents of this part is introduction of rubber, types of rubber, that is natural rubber and synthetic rubber, vulcanization of rubber, the preparation of synthetic rubber, that is Buna S rubber, Buna N rubber and neoprene, and the various properties and uses of the rubber. Now let us see one by one. First is the introduction of rubber, that means what is meant by rubber. Rubber is a natural polymer. Natural polymer means it is obtained from the nature, especially it is of plant origin, and it is the isoprene. Usually it is the cis-1,4 polyisoprene. As we seen in the figure, it is the structure of isoprene in which both the CH2 is in the same side of C double bond C. So it is the cis-1,4 polyisoprene, and the rubber is also known as the elastomers. It can be defined as the sticky elastic solid. When rubber is produced from the milky liquid known as the latex, then that rubber is natural rubber, whereas when rubber is produced artificially in the laboratory, then it is known as the synthetic rubber. Now, what are the types of rubber? Rubber has mainly two types. One is natural rubber and other is the synthetic rubber. Now first is the natural rubber. When rubber is obtained from the milky white secretion, that is the latex of the rubber tree, then it is the rubber which is natural. Latex, it is the natural polymer of isoprene, whereas synthetic rubber, it is artificial rubber synthesized in the laboratory. It is a polymer which is mainly synthesized from the petroleum byproducts. Now the first is the natural rubber. Natural rubber, it is the high molecular mass and it is the linear polymer of isoprene. Isoprene means 2-methyl and 1,3-butadiene. As we seen in the figure, when isoprene undergoes the polymerization, it can be used the polyisoprene, that is natural rubber, and it is the linear polymer. In the formation of natural rubber, this CH2 double bond C is break and this double bond is also break, and it can be shifted to this second carbon atom, and the formation of natural rubber is done. The various properties of natural rubber are: the natural rubber, it can be stretched like a spring and it can be exhibit the elastic property. That means when we apply the pressure or force on the rubber, it can be change its size, and as we remove the force, it can be again regain in its original position. It has the cis configuration of C double bond C. It is held together by the weak van der Waals forces. As due to the presence of weak van der Waals forces, rubber is elastic in nature and it has the coiled structure. Now second and important topic is the vulcanization of rubber. The natural rubber, it is the soft, sticky, and it has the less tensile strength. Now to improve this physical property of rubber, the vulcanization is carried out. Vulcanization of rubber, it is the process of heating the rubber with the sulfur. Now the process by which network of cross-link is introduced into an elastomer is called the rubber. The vulcanization of rubber process is discovered by the American scientist Charles Goodyear in the year 1839. The vulcanization of rubber, it is used for making rubber band and making tires. Now as we see in the figure, in the vulcanization of rubber simple means the heating of natural rubber with the sulfur, and there is a formation of network crosslink of the sulfur, due to which the properties of natural rubber has to be improved. Now second is the synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber means the preparation of rubber in the laboratory. In this we have studied about the Buna S rubber, Buna N rubber and neoprene. The first is the Buna S rubber, which is also known as the SBR, which is the trade name of Buna S rubber, which stands for styrene, butadiene and rubber. The Buna S rubber, it is the copolymer of the 1,6-butadiene with the styrene. When 75% of the butadiene is reacts with the 25% of the styrene, then there is the formation of Buna S rubber or SBR, that is styrene butadiene rubber. Buna S rubber, it is good substitute for the natural rubber, and it is used in the tire industry and cable insulator. It is also used as an footwear. Now second is the Buna N rubber. The Buna N rubber, it is the copolymer, means there is using the two different monomer. One is 1,3-butadiene and another is the acrylonitrile. When this 1,3-butadiene reacts with the acrylonitrile in presence of peroxide, that means it is the example of addition polymerization, and there is a formation of Buna N rubber is formed. It is also known as the nitrile rubber. It is resistant to oil, petrol and organic solvent. The Buna N rubber, it is used as for making inner lining of the tank because it is much resistant to the corrosion. It is also used for oil seals and adhesive, etc. Now next is the neoprene. Neoprene, it is the condensation polymer of chloroprene, which is the 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. It polymerizes rapidly in presence of oxygen and we get the neoprene. Neoprene, it is resistant to petroleum, vegetable oil, light and the heat. Neoprene, it is used in the manufacturing of the insulator cables, jacket belts for the power transmission and the conveying. Neoprene hose pipes for the transport of gasoline and making the gasket. Now next topic is the properties of the rubber. Rubber, it is flexible in nature. It is elastic, means it can be changed its shape. It is not transparent. Rubber is the waterproof or the water repellency. Rubber is a hard and strong. The rubber has an insulated electricity. Rubber, it is the acid and alkaline resistance and it doesn't conduct the heat. The various uses of the rubber are: it is used in the flooring, it is used for the bridge construction, rubber is used in the expansion of the joints, used in windows, pipes, roofing. Rubber is used for the sound insulation, for seals and the gasket. The rubber has the use in electric cable and the components, and it is also used in the emulsion paints. I hope all of you understand what is meant by rubber, what are the types of rubber, that is natural rubber and synthetic rubber, what is meant by vulcanization of rubber, then the preparation of synthetic rubber, that is Buna S rubber, Buna N rubber and neoprene, along with their properties and uses. Thank you.